Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to use Nearby Share to send files, apps and links between nearby Android phones. To do this, first you will need to turn on Nearby Share on the sender and on the receiver phone. I will start with the sender phone, so go to Settings, then tap on Connected Devices. Tap on Connection Preferences, scroll up, then tap on Nearby Share. Now enable the button Use Nearby Share. Repeat the same steps on the receiver's phone. So go to Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, Nearby Share, and enable the button Use Nearby Share. Now go back to the sender's phone and select the photo, link or app you would like to share. For example, I want to share a picture. So open Google Photos and select the picture you would like to share. Then tap on Share at the bottom of the screen. Tap on More, then tap on Nearby. Your phone will start discovering nearby devices. My phone has discovered a nearby device called Al's phone. Now tap on it to start sharing. Finally, go to the receiver's phone and you will see a pop-up message showing your device is trying to share. Accept it and the transfer will begin. A simple way to use Nearby Share to send files, apps and links between nearby Android phones. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.